Hello guys, today we'll be trying to get Cloud Code running using free method. Okay, I'll be providing the link of this agent router in the description. You can check it out. So first we'll be signing up using GitHub. Let's sign in using GitHub. So after signing in, you'll be in the dashboard. So what you should do is go to API token, right? Create new. Here you can just type anything. I'll put that as test. Means we'll be doing a test one. Expiration, you can put it as never expire. So I'll be selecting, let's say this much, right? Yeah. And quota, you can do it unlimited, but I wouldn't recommend doing it unlimited. Let's put some, let's see. Yeah, $24 should be fine because we'll be getting $25 every day in our account. So 24 is pretty good. Keep it like that and hit submit. As you can see, it's just using 24 for this particular key. So next step, I'll be providing another link for setting up the Cloud Code. I'll be showing you the file 1 second. So this is what you'll be needing. First, you will need to copy this code and open command prompt. CLE run as administrator. So just paste the code, right? Copy it, paste it, and hit enter. Now we'll be copying the second command, copy it and paste it in the terminal. So we'll be providing this particular website's URL as the base URL. It is a success. Okay, next step. Now let's copy the third command and paste it in. You need like a notepad or something. Notepad. Paste it in notepad. Okay. Head back to your token that you generated. Test. Copy it and paste it in the over here. Select this part and paste your token ID. I'll be deleting this token, don't worry. So I'm just doing it for telling you guys. So copy this whole command now with the updated API key and paste it in your command. Enter. It's saved. Next step will be now let's go back to the this and select the fourth command. We'll be setting the model here. Select that. Paste it. Okay. After that, copy the next command, paste it as well. Then you can start running your Cloud Code. So this will start the Cloud Code. I mean, this is up to you guys. I'm willing to risk, so I'll keep it as yes. So that's how. Let's try running it. Okay. So for testing, guys, we'll be using different folders. because this is like a main system folder. So open your Explorer, Windows Explorer on Mac if you are using that, and go to this PC, select C drive or D drive, doesn't matter. I am gonna create a new folder called Claude. Okay, under users, there'll be many. Okay, you can select your username. Okay, I'm gonna create a new folder called Claude. So inside this folder, I'll be doing my projects. For showing you guys how it works, I'll be creating a new folder again, like the mention your project name. For now, I'll just keep it as simple website, just to test whether it's working or not. So you click that and open it. Right click the folder, open in terminal, right? So it'll open in terminal. Now what we can do is type Claude. Claude. So it'll open. Yes, I trust. As you can see, we are gonna use Opus 4.6 and we'll tell what to do. Create, create a simple, simple what? Let's say website of calculator. So it'll start ideating in that particular folder itself. It won't go to your main folder. So it is limited to your subfolders. We are not gonna use a main C drive, but it is gonna use a sub part of it. So you can do it too, guys. So do you want to create? Yes, allow all. I'll be selecting this one, so it will be more easier for me. And I'll be showing you how many tokens were used as well during this session and how much it costed. So let's wait until the whole thing is done, and I'll be showing you guys. You can use this for your Android app development projects as well, but make sure you install all the skills in the cloud. Like if you need the video how to do that, please let me know in the comments. I'll do that as well. And how to enable MPC servers are also. If you need, just let me know. I'll try to make a video about it. Okay, let's just wait and see. Okay, calculator website is ready. So it's ready. If you just open browser and use it. Okay, let's see what we got. So here is the website. Let me open it. Yeah, it's working, guys. This is just a simple thing. Let's and yeah, it's working. So that's not what the hell is this? Okay, that doesn't matter. It's working, and it was not paid cloud subscription. It's free way to do it. So let's see how many tokens was used during this process. Let me open my agent browser log usage. So today, right, 24th, right, it used around, let me go to dashboard, it'll be much easier. It used $3.2 during this time, only now, right now, because I didn't use these tools for many days. So Opus is using a lot, as you guys can see in the pricing. Opus 4.6 input is this much and the output is way more, like $100 per million tokens, and the input is $25 per million tokens. Okay, but you guys can use NVS code using DeepSeek also because this price is much less. Like one whole day I was using DeepSeek. Let me